This question is given in GATE 2008 in the subject Signals and Systems. The input and output of a continuous time system are respectively denoted by x of t and y of t. Which of the following descriptions corresponds to a causal system? Okay, they are saying that for a system the input is x of t and output is y of t. Okay, and it corresponds to a causal system, and which of the following options are correct? For a causal system, the important point is causal system, the output depends on only present input and past state, present state and past state, but not the future state. Okay, for a causal system, output depends on present state and past state, okay, but not future state. This is the main important point which you need to remember. Not only for this question, you can come across many kind of questions based on this concept only. Okay, for a causal system, output depends on present state and past state only. What do you mean by present state and what do you mean by past state? We will come to know by solving this question. We will take each and every option. We will check what is the present state, what is the past state. Is output depending on present state or past state? Then we can say it is causal, else it is not causal. Okay, we will take the option A. Option A, write down as it is. Y of t is equals to x of t minus 2 plus x of t plus 4. Now we need to check the present and past state. Let t equal to 2. I am taking 2, you can take it any value, okay, since these are variables. Now y of 2 is equals to x of 0 plus x of 6. If you observe here, 2 is the present state, 0 is past state for 2, okay, 0 is past state for 2 and 6 is future state for 2. Okay, you should be easily differentiate this. Okay, 2 is the present state, 0 is the past state for 2, 6 is the future state for 2. Okay, so this is non-causal. Okay, this is non-causal. Option A is wrong. Now we'll take the option B. Okay, y of t is equals to t minus 4 into x of t plus 1. Now y of 2 the same, t equal to 2 I am taking. Y of 2 equal to 2 minus 4, that is minus 2, x of 3. See here present state is 2, here it is 3. So 3 is future state for 2. Okay, so this also not causal. Now take option C. Y of t is equals to t plus 4 x of t minus 1. At t equal to 2 we are checking. Y of 2, this will be equal to t plus 4 is 6, x of 2 minus 1 is 1. Here present state is 2. Okay, present state is 2. 1 is the past state for 2. This 6 and all constant, you don't need to consider this. Here present state is 2, past state is 1. So we can say clearly that C is the correct answer. But we will not stop here. We will check for option D also. You may check for option D also. Okay, y of t is equals to t plus 5, okay, into x of t plus 5. If you consider a t equal to 2, y of 2 will become 7x of 7. Here present state is 2, 7 is the future state for 2. Okay, so you can say that option D is also wrong. So by this we can confirm that option C is the correct answer. Why? Because for a causal system, output depends on only present state and past state. Okay, in this way we can solve this kind of questions.